Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to quickly correct a bounced check payment in QuickBooks Desktop. Step 1. Locate the bounced check. Open QuickBooks Desktop, go to the customer's payment history, and select the check that bounced. Step 2. Record the bounced check. Use the Record Bounce Check option to automatically reverse the payment, add bank fees, and reopen the customer's invoice. Step 3. Add any additional fees. If your business charges a returned check fee, add it to the customer's account. Step 4. Notify the customer their check bounced and request a new payment method. Step 5. Reapply the correct payment. Once the customer pays again, record the new payment to close the invoice properly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more quick QuickBooks Desktop tips.